4 megahertz. It's fun to play with if you have a thin patient like. And then the volar thing the same side. So like I said, I'm not going to do the whole thing, but you would do the exact same scan technique on the volar side. 3 articulations with and without power Doppler. So then for mid-carpal joint, let's say you just did the radiocarpal joint, you're at the radius eastward, transitions into muscle. If you're wondering what this structure is right here, this is so that's the flexor carpal radialis. That's right on the side. And over here is the flexor carpal nares, and then the really superficial one in here is the nares longus. So just so you know, you never know. You'll come across some weird order sometime. I just want to show you guys where everything is so that. Sometimes also when you use the honeycomb appearance, they look more homogeneous. So that they do, but it's always going to be, this nerve is always going to be superficial to the flexor tendons, and can't get the chair up high enough, and you might have to sit for the exam because you don't want to be high up with your patient's low. You always want to have valgus is like this, and IP flexion. So it's basically just think of it as like divine early ignition concern. If you're scanning, you see a bicep nerve. So now that you've done the measurement, just to show you, you're going to scan. There's all the measurements that I just told you about the carpal tunnel. So you're going to scan the median nerve in the short axis, and proximal to distal where the image is. You're going to measure it. It's not current shape. The scaphoid kind of has like a humpback shape, and the lunate has a half-moon shape. So those are some of the features of the joint.
We talked about the power Doppler a few times. I'm just not familiar. I might not know what it is. I'm familiar with color choice. And I put it directly in the center if the hip bone. So you have to have the target in the middle, and then you have to put the needle directly in the center of the transducer. Center of the transducer, and hypothetically, this drops the needle directly in the center of the joint. So that's what I was talking about. Both people have to do their part. Now I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to drop my needle. If you look at the picture, into the biceps tendon sheath. You don't want to inject inside the tendon. You go from this way to this way, kind of make that settlement, but you're actually